Join us this October 2023 for an incredible opportunity to enhance your skills and knowledge in the world of aesthetics. The International Aesthetics course at Fancy Beauty Institute and Technology is an event you don't want to miss. Led by the esteemed faculty member, PINKI from India, this course promises to be a transformative experience for all participants. Taking place from 2nd October 2023 to 6th October 2023, from 10 am to 4 pm, at the prestigious venue located at holding number 373 SJ Jahanara Imam Sharani, Elephant Road, New Market, Dhaka. This course offers an exclusive opportunity to learn and master various techniques in the field of aesthetics. The course curriculum includes BB Glow, Medi Facial, and laser treatments, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience that covers a wide range of aesthetic procedures. Participants will have the chance to gain hands-on training and practice on models individually, allowing them to refine their skills and perfect their techniques. At Fancy Beauty Institute and Technology, we are dedicated to providing top-notch education and training, connecting our participants with industry professionals, and opening doors to a successful and fulfilling future in the beauty industry. With our expertise and guidance, you can unlock your true potential and embark on a rewarding career in aesthetics. To secure your spot, conference registration is mandatory. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to learn from the best in the industry and expand your horizons in the world of aesthetics. For further information and registration, please contact us at +01984424266. Fancy Beauty Institute and Technology looks forward to welcoming you to this transformative international aesthetics course. Learn to earn and be fancy.